This is the right way to do it.
Before.
Liquor before beer, you're liquor.
Liquor.
Cheers, son.
Father son bartending.
What are we doing? You're gonna help me. We're gonna make a smoky what?
Smoked old fashioned.
Awesome. I'm excited.
The way I start is I put 10 dashes of bitters. Orange bitters. And then a splash of maple or simple syrup. Ice.
And then ice?
Yep.
Is the way we do this?
And then some kind of whiskey. Bourbon, usually. I like to use Four Roses, Basil Hayden,
And
Buffalo
let's-
Trace,
Let's
whatever.
put some water, splash of water in both.
Yeah.
Not too much water. We dilute the whiskey.
Peel
Of
of
course, orange peel brings out the flavor.
And then we smoke it.
And a little piata. Here we go.
Stop
Oh,
it.
look at that.
You want to stop? You gotta set a fire alarm off.
No,
It's kind of live.
you turn it off. You close it. Wait a few minutes. Yeah, sure. 10, 9,
That's a lot of stuff.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 to 1. This is how you smoke the old fashioned.
I think you're out of chips.
No, not out of chips. Okay, just.
I think it's done.
He's done. There we go.
Also, like, there's not
Wait.
wait smoke in there.
That's why I wanted more smoke.
I think it's out.
No, it's on.
No, it's definitely out.
No, it's on. Look.
Do you see smoke coming out of there?
There's nothing coming out.
Bloopers.
He said